Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by switching on airplane mode to block cellular radios, then immediately turn Wi-Fi back on so you can control connections. This lets apps use Wi-Fi while keeping cellular off. Next, open the app you need and check its network preference. Some apps prefer cellular by default. Once done, go to Settings, right arrow SIM and Network, and inspect mobile data rules so you understand why data might still be requested. Make sure to grant Wi-Fi permission when prompted so data flows over Wi-Fi only. Now focus on ensuring the app uses Wi-Fi rather than cellular. Open Settings, right arrow Apps, pick the app, and disable background data for cellular or enable a Wi-Fi only toggle if available. This forces the app to rely on your Wi-Fi connection. If the app still tries cellular, enable developer options to restrict mobile data or use a local VPN app that forces routing over Wi-Fi. Once configured, test by loading pages in the browser, and in the app to confirm data transfers, go through Wi-Fi. Finish by double-checking quick settings. Airplane mode must be on and Wi-Fi active. This combination prevents cellular while permitting Wi-Fi data. Restart the app, and if that fails, reboot the phone. Clearing the app cache often resolves stubborn network preferences. Make sure any VPNs aren't forcing traffic away from Wi-Fi. If you still see failures, check the router's DHCP and IP lease. Misconfiguration can make the phone prefer a zero connectivity network. A restart of router or toggling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.